Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making glam crystal coasters. So what you're going to need the rhinestone embellishment packs, the bulk packs. These are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some silver glitter, and this is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 4 of these glass candle holder plates if you're going to make a set of 2 coasters. If you're going to make a set of 4, you will need 8 of these glass candle holder plates from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some tacky glue from Dollar Tree. You're going to need a foam brush from Dollar Tree. And I also have some peel and stick gemstones. These are from Walmart, but you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these Glam crystal coasters turn out absolutely beautifully? And these are so easy to make. Now you can also use these coasters as display stands for decor items, or you could use it for display stands for candles, tall pillow candles. That would work as well. But yeah, they're really very versatile. Let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.